Introducing the RayFlex Blade, the ultimate 6-in-1 multifunctional utility knife that takes versatility and durability to the next level. Made from GR5 titanium, the RayFlex Blade isn't just any utility knife. It's crafted for those who demand a tool as tough as they are. Featuring a 9mm snap-off blade, this knife is built to adapt. Need a sharp edge in seconds? Just snap, and you're good to go. And with the built-in blade breaker, it's never been easier to maintain a sharp edge while staying safe. But that's not all. The RayFlex Blade is a true multi-tool, complete with a built-in ruler for on-the-go measurements, a pry bar, and even a nail puller. And for those working in low-light conditions, RayFlex has thought of everything. This knife includes tritium slots, helping you locate it in dim environments with ease. Whether you're in construction, crafting, or just need a go-to utility tool, the RayFlex Blade combines style and strength, becoming the ultimate companion for any task. Upgrade to the RayFlex Blade and experience true multifunctionality in your hands. Check it out today.